What are the safest new vehicles that you can buy for 2023? That's what we're going to find out. Welcome to Car Help Corner, where we help you, the consumer, master the process of car buying and car ownership. For this video, I'm going to share the top safety picks for 2023 from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, also known as the IIHS. The IIHS awarded 48 vehicles their top safety pick awards for 2023, which is actually down from just over 100 vehicles in 2022. This is because safety testing was strengthened and made more challenging this year, specifically with side impact testing and nighttime effectiveness of active safety systems. The crash testing requirements were strengthened to better represent the type of vehicles that are commonly found on today's roads, which are mostly SUVs and trucks. So to find out what are the safest cars, trucks, and SUVs for 2023, make sure to stick around until the end of this video. And if you enjoy and get value out of this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. I post 2 videos a week, always straight to the point, valuable car buying advice designed to help you, the consumer. Now, the reason we look at IIHS is because they have one of the most comprehensive testing programs for vehicle safety, including both passive and active safety. Passive safety is how safe a vehicle is in the event of an accident, which the IIHS calls crashworthiness. Whereas active safety is how safe a vehicle is in terms of preventing an accident in the first place, through the use of active safety technology, which the IIHS calls accident avoidance and mitigation. So we'll start things off by going through the safest small cars, which were awarded the top safety pick or the top safety pick plus award by the IIHS. The top performing small cars were those from Honda, Toyota, and Mazda, which all received the top safety pick award. The Mazda 3 earned top marks for crashworthiness in all categories, including the new updated side impact test. The only areas where it lost some marks were for its headlight performance and also for crash avoidance and mitigation under nighttime conditions. The Toyota Corolla performed well in all categories except for the updated side impact test, where it merely received an average rating. The same is also true for the Honda Civic, which performed more or less the same as the Corolla, but with stronger scores for its seatbelt and child restraints. And the only small car to win the top safety pick plus award, well, that would be the Acura Integra, which nailed every single test category for crashworthiness, crash avoidance, and mitigation, including all the updated tests. Now, there were some notable emissions that didn't win any awards this year, including the Nissan Sentra and Nissan Kicks, the Hyundai Elantra, the Kia Soul, and the Kia Forte, none of which won any awards. In fact, the updated testing booted a lot of these former award winners off the top safety list for 2023. So with the small car category out of the way, now let's move on to the mid-size cars, which only had a few winners this year, which included the Subaru Legacy and the Hyundai Sonata, both of which won the top safety pick award. Notably missing from the mid-size list is the brand new 2023 Honda Accord, which I suspect was too new to be tested at the time these test results were published. The only mid-size sedan to win the top safety pick plus award was actually the Toyota Camry, which received top marks in every single category for crashworthiness, crash avoidance, and mitigation. That's a very impressive achievement for the Camry, considering that the 2023 model is actually a 6-year-old design. The Camry's cousin, the Lexus ES, was also the only mid-size luxury car to win the top safety pick award. All other former award winners lost their spots this year thanks to the new updated testing. And now let's move on to the category that everyone wants to know more about, which of course is small SUVs. The best performing brands here were Toyota, Subaru, Mazda, and Honda. Both the Toyota Venza and RAV4 were top safety picks, only falling a little bit short on the updated side impact test, but with strong scores in every single category. The Lexus UX 250h, on the other hand, received the top safety pick plus award, with top scores in every category. The Subaru Outback also received the top safety pick plus award, with outstanding all-around performance, whereas the Forester only received the top safety pick. This was due to lower scores on the updated side impact test, and only moderate scores on the updated small overlap test. The Nissan Rogue earned the same score as the Forester, earning it the top safety pick award. And when it comes to Mazda, the Mazda CX-30, the CX-5, and the CX-50 all performed extremely well when it comes to crashworthiness, and really only fell a little bit short when it comes to nighttime performance, under crash avoidance, and mitigation. But by far, the standout brand when it comes to small SUVs was Honda, with both the 2023 Honda HR-V and CR-V winning the Top Safety Pick Plus award. Both SUVs were updated for 2023, which helped them earn the top scores for all categories of crashworthiness, crash avoidance, and mitigation, including all the updated tests. Now again, there were some notable omissions in the small SUV category, including all of the Jeep models, the Hyundai Tucson and Santa Fe, the Kia Sportage, the Seltos, the Ford Escape, and also the Volkswagen Taos and Tiguan. Some of these SUVs were former winners, but lost their awards with the updated testing for 2023. And for luxury small SUVs, the Volvo XC40 was also missing, which is surprising given that Volvos have historically been known for having very strong safety. And now let's move on to the mid-sized SUVs, where we did see a mixture of different brands. The Mazda CX-9 and Ford Explorer both earned the Top Safety Pick awards. I was especially impressed by the CX-9, considering that this SUV dates all the way back to 2016. This shows great promise for the updated brand new CX-90, which has just replaced the CX-9 in the Mazda lineup. Mid-sized SUVs that earned the Top Safety Pick Plus awards include the Nissan Pathfinder, the Subaru Ascent, the Hyundai Palisade, the Kia Telluride, and the Toyota Highlander, all of which earned the top scores in every category, including the updated testing. One notable omission from the mid-sized SUV category is the 2023 Honda Pilot, which had not been tested yet at the time these results were published. So with the SUVs out of the way, now let's move on to the minivan category, which only had two winners for the Top Safety Pick Plus award, which were the Honda Odyssey and the Toyota Sienna. Both the Odyssey and Sienna earned top marks in every single category, including all of the updated testing for 2023. The Chrysler Pacifica and Kia Carnival, however, were not awarded the top safety picks and lost their former titles under the updated testing. Now let's take a look at some luxury vehicles and luxury SUVs, which did have a few brands that stood out for the Top Safety Pick Plus award. Top award winners included the Acura RDX and MDX, both earning top scores in every single category for the Top Safety Pick Plus. This was also true for the top-selling Lexus SUVs, which are the Lexus NX and the RX SUVs, both earning top safety scores in every single category as well. And some other luxury SUVs that also earned the Top Safety Pick Plus award with top scores include the Volvo XC90, the Tesla Model Y, and the Infiniti QX60. Interestingly, none of the luxury SUVs from BMW, Audi, or Mercedes earned top safety awards under the new testing. And finally, that brings us to the last category, which is the truck category. Unfortunately, this is one segment of the market that has a lot of mediocre performers. In fact, there was only one mainstream truck model that earned the Top Safety Pick award, and that model is the Toyota Tundra. The Tundra earned the top award with top scores in every single category. The Ram 1500 and Ford F-150 were former winners, but both lost their titles under the new updated testing. It was actually really reassuring to see which vehicles won the Top Safety Pick and Top Safety Pick Plus awards this year. A lot of the cars that had won in the small car, the mid-sized car, and also the SUV categories were those from brands like Honda, Toyota, Mazda, and Subaru, all of which I highly recommend in a lot of my other videos. I often choose a lot of these models for my top recommended list when it comes to their reliability, excellent design, and strong value for money, all of which makes them very safe choices to go with. So it's really great to know that when you buy a lot of these vehicles, you're not only getting excellent reliability and strong value for your money, but you're also getting a very safe vehicle too. So let me know what you thought of this list. Which of these vehicles would you buy, or would you go for something else instead? And if you have any suggestions for any future car videos, just leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. You can also take a look at my other videos by clicking these links over here. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And if you need additional car buying advice, recommendations, or help with getting a great deal on your next new car purchase, make sure to check out carhelpcanada.com. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.